Park Street for a quarter mile until West Adams Street.
It's like a traffic jam at NASCAR. It is definitely humid out here. That's the World Series jersey.
Yeah, you got it right. Yeah.
2015, I remember.
I wear it, man.
They playing good right now.
Yeah, they're almost the best team in baseball.
Yeah, I was looking at the standing. They the second best.
Yeah, they're playing tonight.
Yeah, because didn't they? I know that Kansas City got them twice and they was in second place.
Yeah, that's
What
my
place?
fault. That's my fault because whenever I watch them, they lose.
Oh wow. What place they in now?
They're still first. Oh, I don't know. They were
I know there's
tied.
like a half a game, then there was a game.
Yeah, they were tied.
They could beat Milwaukee.
Yeah, they can beat them.
I would like to see another 2016.
So would I. Have a good one, man.
All right, you too. Looks like he's running out of gas. On a humid day. And we're going right. It's like being on the ride of Great America. I got on that new ride.
It's like being on the train. You gotta follow the tracks.
Yeah, otherwise we'll derail.
Turn right onto West Adams Street.
There we go.
Continue on West Adams Street for a half mile until South Des Plaines Street.
Radioactive Chardonnay. Top quality.
picking up a little bit of speed. That's the accelerator. We made it. Ooh, that breeze feels wonderful. In the middle. Drop. We're out in huge numbers. Going up a steep hill. He's got skill, but watch them potholes. There you go, now we got good sound. Looks like we're going up. And here comes the train. Out into the open waters of Chicago River. There you go, he popping it out now. That's the jam right there. Uh-oh.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Des Plaines Street.
It's like going down on a roller coaster. We're going down like being on a roller coaster. Woo! Now that's fun. That's a speaker doing that? There she is. We made it. And we made it.
Turn left onto South Des Plaines Street.
Woo, that sharp turn.
Continue on South Des Plaines Street for 1 mile until West Roosevelt Road.
That food smell good. Listen to that sound. There it is. That rain. We're going down, and I mean way down. Ho! It's like being on a roller coaster. We got bikers down. Caught it. Trying to handle the steering wheel. Welcome to Tesla. That's a big one too. Another pothole. There was the Tesla. Uh-oh, you made it. This is what the police do before they do an arrest. This is what they do before they do an arrest. Look at my other speaker. This thing ain't even loud. I'm gonna probably ride with you because it's very difficult. My family reunion mom.
I got one. August 18th, I think. In Memphis.
I got a cousin live in Memphis. He be chasing too many hoes out there. No, he do. And one of my cousins, he got drafted by the Phoenix Suns. He live in, he a rookie though. This thing ain't even that loud. Yo, JBL got this big. I would have brought it, but that'd have been too much weight. Yeah, my cousin, you heard of West Memphis, Arkansas? That's like going from downtown to like to the south side. That's like like if you downtown Memphis, it's right off the borderline. Because I was debating whether I wasn't gonna come or not, because the weather hasn't been in our favor. Yeah, we having it right in my backyard. There your other buddy. Yeah. It's okay. Hold on.
This is the bottle.
You say that again now? Yeah. Why does Charlie hold you know, just right to this little bit, this car right here on our behind. Look at Sonic, y'all. To the front. Let me see if I can get up there with you. It's probably gonna be difficult. I'm gonna have to roll like I'm the police. Whoop, 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 whoop. Hold on!
Right onto West Roosevelt Road.
Point, 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 point. He's definitely flying. We made it. That's the bus that replaced Megabus. Flixbus. Ow. Now that's a beat right there.
Turn right onto West Roosevelt Road.
I like that. It's the real traffic jam.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Halsted Street.
Listen to that sound.
She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no really on that dance floor. She had to do her reverse, now she funky. She throw it out and come back. She don't know how to stop.
We're going down. Oh, somebody lost their weed. That's called sound.
Turn left onto South Halsted Street.
That's sound.
Continue on South Halsted Street for 1 mile until West Cermak Road.
We made it. We made it. That's my accelerator.
This of course goes out to the other
I gotta catch up with him. Coming in hot. Oh, ow. There's a coyote down there. A coyote is down there. A coyote is down there. Woo, this is gonna be tight. There's a coyote down there. Yeah. Happy Friday, y'all. I haven't heard a horn like that in years. He got multiple horns. They said grab life by the horns. That's the old Dodge commercial. That's the old Dodge commercial. Grab life by the horns. There we go, we got the house music going. We made it.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto West Cermak Road.
And we rolling again. And we rolling again. We just got chased by a coyote. It's gonna be a hot one this weekend. I saw 97, 95. Yeah, but we might need some boats out here because they're talking about 6 inches of rain. So no bike ride tomorrow. Like they do in the baseball game, it's gonna be a rain, yeah, or a postpone.
Turn right onto West Cermak Road.
It said turn right on Cermak.
They didn't spend it wisely, and when those railroads started to fail, the banks started to collapse.
And it's time to go again. Right where the sun is going. The sun is going down.
Continue on West Cermak Road for a half mile until South Racine Avenue.
Oh, we gotta play catch up. There it is. We got a bus on fire behind us. Yeah, it's smoking good. We got a bus on fire behind us. That's skills right there. Yeah, bus on fire behind us. Open streets and open lanes. Sticks. Almost up there.
Turn right onto South Racine Avenue.
And it says we're now turning right. This GPS comes in handy. Are they playing or are they fighting? I think they playing.
Continue on South Racine Avenue for 1 mile until West Taylor Street.
He got only one wheel.
About the kind of act of whack that seems to blow up. For now.
Sound like a video game. Let me see if I get over. Uh-oh. I gotta do like CPD do when they make an arrest. You going back to the front or you gonna stay right here? I'm right up there with you. I was trying to play catch up. Not the catch up you can. Yeah.
Hey, Keith, man.
I like that skateboard. I like that one right there. Wow. Woo. Kenna. You just missed a fight in the parking lot. Yeah, 2 bikers was fighting. My job is just to roll the camera. Did you hit that edge? That sounds like Jurassic Park now. Yeah, we out in record numbers. I'm gonna catch up with you later. Just have my fried chicken and green. Mount the curb! Curb! I got a long way to get up to the front. Hey, what's up, now? Doing great. Huh? Just regular cool. Oh, it's raining again. Weather's not in our favor. I gotta do like they're doing baseball, do a rain delay and a postpone. Huh? Yeah. Ooh, I cannot get to that front. It's gonna be hard. Yeah. Oh, take it to the sidewalk. Here comes heavy rain. We got heavy rain approaching. Heavy rain approaching. We got heavy rain approaching. Heavy rain approaching. Ooh. We got heavy rain approaching. Here they come. What happened now?
Keep straight across South Blue Island Avenue.
got heavy rain in the area. That's that good house music. Oh, we're turning left on Roosevelt.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto West Taylor Street. You are off route. The route is 150 feet to your right.
Curb! We made it.
You are off route. The route is a quarter mile to your right.
Are we turning? They said shots were fired down. Oh! Almost collision. They said shots were fired down there. Somebody was shooting. Oh! Look like we made it to the front. That was very loud. Shots were fired down there. I guess a car was shooting at another car as we were turning. And we rolling again. He got the gold bike.
Continue on South Loomis Street for a half mile until West Adams Street.
We got heavy rain in the area for 36 minutes. He said, forget y'all then. was almost a crash. Y'all just missed it. Y'all just missed it as we was turning. That car was shooting at another car. Y'all ain't see it. Pop, 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 pop. We was turning, going eastbound on Roosevelt. No, as we was turning, I was like, uh-oh. He told that guy, I said, motherfucker, you cut in front of me. I was like, that's it. That's called cowardice. No, at the car. The car, road rage. Don't nobody want to use fists no more. I'm from the old school. I use the fist. Nowadays, if they lose a fight, that's how it is. These showers should be letting up in about 36 minutes. Turning right, according to the GPS. Oh, someone's lost. Some people turn down there. Oh, ow. Oh. Going downhill like a Great America. Ow!
In a quarter mile, turn left onto West Adams Street.
Woo, he flying.
This one goes out to all the ladies, and especially my Julesy. This one's for you.
He got the 290 shirt on. We are Chicago streets.
Turn left onto West Adams Street.
Is that a police car or a cab? Wow, look at that police car. Looks like a cab on the right. I think that's called a taxi police. Not. That don't even look like a police car. It looks like a taxi. Taxi police. Sharp turn. Sharp turn. And we're rolling
Continue on
again.
West Adams Street for a quarter mile until
Man,
South
that was
Ashland
crazy.
Avenue.
Ooh, it's kind of hard getting up to that front. You ain't see what just happened? You ain't see that car shooting at that other car? Yeah, we was on Roosevelt. Yeah, we need to get you a bulletproof vest. Yeah, I'm gonna have to follow you because it's hard to catch up, get to the front. So you said they got a skating thing downtown somewhere? I think you did it like, I think the one you did like previously. Here comes the rain again. That sounds like a video game. Now that's old school right there. That's a vintage bike. Oh, there you go. Oh, you made it, huh? You missed that shooting down there. A car was shooting at another car. Going east on Roosevelt. He's like, bitch, you turned in front of me. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, I think I got it on camera. Hey, Kenny, I'm gonna go to the front. Ow, my leg. You catch up to the front a little bit. Speed hump.
Turn right onto South Ashland Avenue.
It says 0.04 miles going southbound. That great street of Ashland Avenue.
Take the next right onto West Ogden Avenue.
Run.
Turn right onto West
Hang
Ogden
on in there,
Avenue.
we're turning right again. The weather's not in our favor all week.
Continue on West Ogden Avenue for 1 mile until West Chicago Avenue.
We're not going. Shut up and drive. Pay attention. Very impatient driver. Just regular record, cause I put it on YouTube. I got all the rats on YouTube. Cause Facebook only hold it for 30 days. I mean, if you go live.